Well, Babs, my thoughts are character.
Hey, touchstone, what are they?
Let's see that.
From the east to western end, no jewel is like Rosaline. Let no face be kept in mind, but the fair of Rosaline. All the pictures fairest line, but black to Rosaline. Her oath being mounted on the wing, through all the world bears Rosaline.
What kind of poetry is this? This is nonsense. I fool can write better than this.
Out, you fool! What are you
No,
telling?
no. Trust me. Just let me have a try.
Okay, go on.
If a heart do lack a height, let him seek out Rosalind. If the cat will after kind, so be sure will Rosalind.
You call this a poetry? Out, you fool! Get out of here!
What is this, brother?
See yourself.
Okay. Someone wrote poetry on you.
Yes, it seems so.
But who is the person?
I don't know, cause I found them hanging on the trees.
On the trees?
Yes.
How does someone love you so much that he can write poetry on you?
I don't know, cause I have no idea about this.
But I faith cause it is he.
Orlando?
Yeah, Orlando.
God save me. It can be possible? How can it be possible? How can it be here in the forest of Arden? Does it know that I am Rosalind? Does it know that I am disguising as Ganymede?
I don't know, and I don't think so. You know yourself. Here comes he.
Shh, sister, don't tell him anything, okay? I will talk with him as a stranger. Do you hear, Forester?
Very well. How can I help you?
Can you please tell me what is the time by now by the clock?
What time of the day it is? You should ask me what time of the day it is, because there is no clock in the forest.
No clock in the forest?
Yeah.
Then I will say that there is no true lover in the forest.
Why are you saying so? I know the fact that I am in true love and I am a true lover.
But you don't seem a true lover to me. Because I know a fact that a true lover who is far away from his love, his mistress, count each and every moment. And he can aware of his time. And moreover, there are some other signs and symptoms of a true lover which I can't see any of them among you.
What kind of symptoms?
A lean cheek, which you have not. A blue sunken eyes, which you have not. An unquestionable spirit, which you have not. An unbuttoned sleeve, untied bonnet. Everything of you should be careless, but you are dressed like a Prince Charming. You don't seem a true lover to me.
Fair enough, but I could make you believe that I am a true lover who has verses on the trees.
I see. Is that so? Are you in so much love as your rhymes speak?
Neither Ra, neither me myself can express how much I love Rosalind.
Ha! Love is a fairly madness, and I tell you that you need to be cured, and I can assure you that I can cure you.
Did you ever cure any soul?
Yes, I have once.
How will you cure me?
Okay, for that you have to think me of your love and mistress. You have to woo me every day.
Yeah.
And you have to talk to me as your Rosalind. Okay? And thus you can come out from your madness of love gradually.
I don't think I can be cured like this way.
I assure you, brother, you will be cured. And if you want to be cured, think me of your Rosalind as your Rosalind and meet me tomorrow at my place, okay? Bye-bye, friend.
See you tomorrow.
Sir, this message for you.
Okay, go. Well, my informer sent this message that my brother Orlando has gone to the forest of Arden. What is he doing there? Oh, there's the older Duke Senior is also there. Is there any coincidence? Yes, there must be. He has joined the Duke Senior and to attack me and take revenge on me and take away all my property from me. No, I can let that happen. I will have to do something. What I will do? Okay, I will join Duke Frederick, and I will attack the forest of Arden and kill them both. Yes, I will attack. Forest of Arden, get ready for the battle. We are coming.
Never talk to me, sister. I will leave now.
Why? What happened?
What on the earth the lover boy is doing all this morning? Why hasn't he come yet?
Have patience, girls. Someone is coming. Here comes your lover boy.
Today and happiness, Rosalind. Oh, dear Rosalind, I kept my promise.
You kept your promise. You told me that you will come this morning. Why so late?
Pardon me, dear Rosalind.
Okay, I'll forgive you as I am a human being now. Okay, now tell me, if I were your Rosalind, what would you tell me at first?
I'll tell Rosalind to love me.
Okay, yes, I will. All the Saturdays and Fridays. And then what?
Will you marry me?
Why not? Of course, right now I will marry you. Okay, let me call a priest for us, okay?
Priest?
Yes, wait. Sister Aliena.
What is it, brother?
Right now, I'm not your brother. I'm this lover boy's love, Rosalind. Now, help us to get us married.
But how can I say these words?
You have to start with Will you, Orlando?
Okay.
Yes.
Will you, Orlando, accept Rosalind as your wife?
I will. I take Rosalind for my wife.
Will you, Rosalind, take this Orlando as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Orlando.
Someone is calling you, maybe.
I just coming.
Who can be the person? Someone come.
Disaster coming.
What happened?
It's the Duke Frederick and my brother Oliver coming to attack the Garden of Arden.
God
Garden of
save
Arden.
us.
Leave prayer for the women. Come with me.
To the battlefield?
Yeah, come quick.
Okay. You go on. I will join you later after bidding farewell to my sister, okay?
Why are you so surprised? Are you no man?
I'm not surprised. I'm not afraid. But you go on. I will join you later.
Come quick, come quick.
Yeah, okay.
But how can you join the army? You can't even know how to lift a sword.
I don't know, boss, but I have to try at least. It's better to fight side by side with Orlando and die with him rather than sitting at home doing nothing. I can't sit at home doing nothing, waiting for uncertain news for my father and Orlando. I have to go, boss. And trust me, cause if we won the battle, I myself will tell Orlando that I am his Rosalind. I'm no gravity, okay? Wish me luck, love. If I'll be alive, we'll meet again.
God save thee.
Orlando, is that you? Orlando? Orlando, is that you? Oh my God. Orlando, what happened to you? Orlando, please wake up. Tell me what happened. Oh no. God save us. Please, Orlando, wake up, please. Orlando, please see. I'm no boy. I'm not Candy. I know Rosalind. Please. Orlando, see. See, Orlando, I know Rosalind. Orlando, please wake up. Please, Orlando, can't leave me.
Oh, what a scene. A woman is crying for my dead brother. Hey, who are you? Let me show your face. See your face. Oh, isn't it Rosalind? The Duke Senior's only daughter? Come,
Yes,
come with me.
yes, I am. And I'm also your brother's lover. How could you? How could you do this to your own brother? Don't you have any kindness in your heart?
Kindness? Huh. Kindness is stupid. If I were kind, he would have killed me and taken away all my property from me. Now he has get his punishment. Now you will get your punishment. You will go
What
to
punishment?
your place.
No, I will not go anywhere with you.
No, you are coming with me.
Let me, Timon. I will rather die than going with you. Ah!